Passive income is money that you earn without putting in too much effort or time.
It can help you achieve financial freedom and live the lifestyle you want.
In this article, I will share with you 10 ideas for how to generate passive income in 2023.
1.
Start a dropshipping store.
Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without having to handle inventory, shipping, or fulfillment. You simply create a website, find products from suppliers, and market them to customers. When someone buys from you, the supplier ships the product directly to them and you keep the profit margin. 2. Build and monetize a blog.
Blogging is another popular way to earn passive income online.
You can create a blog on any topic that interests you and attracts an audience.
You can then monetize your blog by displaying ads, promoting affiliate products, selling your own courses or ebooks, or offering sponsored posts.
3. Create and sell online courses.
If you have expertise or skills in a certain field, you can create and sell online courses to share your knowledge with others. Online courses are in high demand as more people want to learn new things online. You only need to create your course once and then update it occasionally to keep it relevant. 4.
Publish Instagram-sponsored posts. Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms with over 1 billion monthly active users.
If you have a large and engaged following on Instagram, you can make money by posting sponsored content for brands that want to reach your audience. You can charge anywhere from $10 to $1,000 per post depending on your niche, followers, and engagement rate.
5.
Create a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand is a service where you can design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, or books without having to handle inventory or fulfillment. You simply upload your designs to a platform like Printful or Teespring, and they will print and ship the product to your customers whenever someone orders from you. 6.
Create an app.
If you have an idea for a useful or entertaining app, you can create and sell it on the App Store and generate passive income from downloads, in-app purchases, or ads. You don't need to be a coder to create an app. You can use tools like AppyPie or BuildFire to build your app without any coding skills. 7.
Invest in stocks.
Investing in stocks is one of the oldest and most common ways to generate passive income.
When you invest in stocks, you buy shares of companies that pay dividends or appreciate in value over time. Dividends are regular payments that companies make to their shareholders from their profits.
Stock appreciation is when the price of a stock increases over time due to the company's growth or performance. 8.
Buy and sell properties.
Real estate is another traditional source of passive income.
When you buy a property, you can rent it out to tenants and earn rental income every month.
You can also flip properties by buying them at a low price, renovating them, and selling them at a higher price for a profit. 9.
Rent out your spare room.
If you have a spare room in your house or apartment, you can rent it out to travelers or guests and earn passive income from it. You can use platforms like Airbnb or VRBO to list your space and manage your bookings.
10. Become an affiliate marketer.
Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale or action that you generate.
You can join affiliate programs from various companies or networks and find products that match your niche and audience. You can then create content that showcases the benefits of the products and include your affiliate links.
These are some of the best passive income ideas for 2023 that you can start today. Passive income can help you achieve financial independence and live the life you want. However, keep in mind that passive income is not easy or quick to achieve.
It requires some upfront work, investment, and patience to see results. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.